Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you my Shein outfit that I'm gonna wear. So my shorts, top and jacket is from Shein. So let me start with whatever is in this. Give me one sec. I'll leave the description down below. So we're dressing, you know, cheap, what bougie tonight. So this is the shorts. When I put it on, I'm gonna do a little review and tell you how it fits and stuff. It's a size large because my fats, my big on fats, so not judge me. But I know when since I start wear large and enough self. This is the little top that I'm gonna wear with it. It's a small or a medium, I don't remember. I think it's a medium because I was scared to buy small. I always wear small, but my fats, yeah. And then, ooh, give me one sec. This is a black jacket. That's so cute. Sorry. So I'm gonna tell you all about the jacket in a little bit. And I'll leave the description below, the links in my description. So that's the jacket, that's the top, that's the shorts, and of course, you know, you have to style it good. So I'm gonna style it with my G's. Alright, so we're gonna get ready now. Hey guys, so I'm gonna get ready, put on my makeup and stuff. So while I'm putting on my makeup so you're not bored, I'm going to tell a little story. And I'm very sure that all of us can relate to a cheating story, because as much as we're going to be a good boy and good girl, all of we get born. Even one time in our life. Yeah? No denying that. All of we get born. So I can't tell myself, oh no, no, how born feel. And from the person who at least expect it from some time. So I'm going to tell you one of my born story. I'm a G still. Alright, so basically I used to go to UTech, right? And normally after school or after class, most times I would go straight to my boyfriend's house. But that night, I tell him, say, listen, I'm tired because school did done like 9 p.m. It was the last class on campus. Say, don't me tired no one. Stress out and me can't bother. So I tell him, say, I'm not come. Anyways, I'm always in them feelings if I tell him, say, I'm not come. And most times, me that pop up unannounced, which him do it to me too, so I never have a problem with that. We just, if we feel I forgot each other, yeah, we just go. No call, no text, no nothing. Recipe for disaster, don't it? No for no. I don't want a disaster, cause if you never tell me about it, I wanna know. But anyways, we set so now, right? And when I decide after class, say, I just have to go there because you know I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm miserable, and I'm not in the mood to stay by myself, might as well. I just go over there. But I decided to go while I'm in the bus. So I'm up on the bus, car is one bus, right? Goodbye 77 or 83, but mostly 77. So one bus. So I just never bother come off from my stop, and I end up come off a film stop instead. So I just make the bus continue. Anyways, remember all this time now this boy think me I go home. Normally he would bother me more for coming here. I said nah, really say nothing. You just cuss one time and then say, alright, then they'll think blah 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 like what you're saying. He never cuss 100 times like we normally cuss 100 times. understand? But me not look on it as nothing. I mean, I still never take it as nothing. Right? Kind of everyday people want to argue. I want my beauty blender that my father gun. Anyways, I never take it as nothing. Because I must say, we are all humans and everybody will want to get up and cuss. So, I set back now and I make the bus go off a female. Come off of the bus now. Back up the road. Reach my yard. No, this time I never live this one. They live somewhere else. Sorry, I appreciate somewhere else. I know the whole we get bone, you know, so I don't come on my thing and tell me some never get bone. And tell me one at the boy way. As an ear bone, I know one boy and one girl. Name pop up in the mind and ignorant for them. But I want to leave and stay. Right? Most of we stay. I'm going to do a poll and I can't tell me say after we get bone 1 or 2 times we not stay. Majority, if not all of we stay. At least all of we stay 1 time after we get bone, right? Or get cheated on if you're not Jamaican and don't understand the lingo. So it's about now and you know, me I walk up the road, me I walk up on my yard and thing. Still not call him because I remember say what other type of relationship they. Me not have to call him, me not have to call me, we just show up anywhere we want to show up. It was night, as I tell you the class done 9 o'clock. Me now walk up at the boy house, my sister the door. Like it crack open. It push up, in a lock with the lock, it just push up. So I say, oh, alright then. In their room, I'm supposed to their room. Because you know, tell me say I'm gonna wear anyways, it's supposed to their room, right? Me said so now. Take my little time and open the door. And funny enough, I that give me away. You see, if I never take my time and open my door, you wouldn't know, say. And me, but you know, when you're with somebody for all the years, they know them pattern even when they're not aware, right? You know, if you take notice of the person, you aware of everything what them do. Or when them don't know, say, oh, them do it. Because me nobody know, say, me open my door a particular way. Me just open the door, open the door. Nah, pretty out that person open my door different from the person, yeah. But anyway, I that give away. Alright? So me say, me take my time, open the door, and I see him on the bed lay down. And I see me because you have to move the curtain. So like you know I see him. Ow, I want this. I don't know right now, spray out upsetting. Anyways, sorry about that. I don't know me I multitask. So me said about no see him ease up off of the bed, but you know like him about to say something to me, but him hold it back. But me not pay no mind because me hungry, and if you know me, you know say you prefer clothe me than feed me because me love my belly. So I say people are going, you know, I'm walking because I'm not pray, you know, I'm walking at the house. Like I see slippers at the door, I see slippers at the door. But him have so much system, I have like 4 system. And you know I get a yard stay. So me not take that as nothing. Me not pray that I not sit on that thing about bone, I not sit on that thing about girl and them thing there. Me not have time for that shit. So me now not pay that no mind. Me just walk in, even though I see the door crack open, and I see the slippers. I find my brush, my blood, whatever this is. Me now just see the door crack open, and say chow. See food pan the dresser what catch me now for sure how me love my belly, and it a go blow me people catch me. Me just walking now, see one box food on the table. You know them. Right now I eat a Jamaican box food. I want to know. Right now I eat a Jamaican box food. When you know them box food, they hit different. If you live up here now, you have to miss Jamaican box food. So me see box food pan. Just a no. So see me you know babe walk on and like you know kinda, but me not pay no mind. But just a babe walk on. And I not take no habit to start. So I start telling him, oh, I'm stressed out and school has stressed me. I see food on the table, so I'm about to ask no. So I say, I offer food. I say I offer food. That's all I meant. I say, give me some food now where you buy. And you know me, pull back long time. Start eat food. I relax. So him get up and like him say, oh, me I got a bathroom. Normally, when him got a bathroom, but I got a bathroom with him. No, I'm not watch. So no don't come to me with no foolishness. I'm not watch. It's just the type of relationship we have. We were like really close. Like inseparable type of close with everything together. So we're super close. So you know, we used to ever look at things today. Plus, he used to always want me in the bathroom. But them are the number one and number two. I have to sit down in the bathroom and wait for him. And you know, in there, we chat and we laugh and not pay no mind because that's how the thing sit. Anyways, no. But him get up and him say, babe, me I got a bathroom like him want to say, yeah, come, but you don't know. Him want to say it and him know. One say can do what I actually get up and come. But true me love my belly now. Me say this so me not gonna bathroom with you know. Gonna bathroom myself. I'm hungry, me go stay and eat and I can't but I get up and come. I have a rough day at school. So me look pan good you know one time so go and bathroom by himself. I guess him did happy in a hindsight. Man, indeed happy that she bother me. Like you want to piss me off. Yeah, sorry. As me I saying the happy in hindsight. Poor me never know say boy happy say good girl now come with him to bathroom and he might get away with it. So the girl when he gonna tell me no, he gonna make me know say the same girl. But whosoever, I don't know who should be. Old germs. And this is what I like with females. Females no say we for all women accountable, don't get me wrong. But as women, we for stop the list of other women and brag and think it's a flex. It's really not. As women, we love, we know say the boy they have a girlfriend day. Him not either, we know say him and her day. Right? You know one committee no know say yo a she a woman, why you help that man cheat? Why as females? Well like help the man then cheat and then you know come in an argument with a girl and poor girl most time the number one or the wifey type or anything they want to call it don't even know say wanna exist. Majority of the time when I know something exists, right? Cause the man never should have said there and tell we that. So my hate as females we have to always do that to each other. Like make him go far man, cause you know if you have facts say I'm woman this, I'm having woman, but you still get involved with him. Why? Anyways, him come out of the house now and decide say him a go bathroom. Remember as I walk in, I take up the food and I not pay no mind. Me take up the food with my enough self and me decide to me not in the bathroom, say it work out in a film favor. So the girl in the bathroom, so it turned out say as me walk in, the girl walk out as me walk in the room, the girl she walk out like probably like 5 seconds to 10 seconds before me walk in at the house, right? I'm going to the bathroom. Before me walk in the room, I'm going to the bathroom. So while me sit down and eat, him outside, I tell the girl, say, bear in mind of the girl food too. With my enough sale for the girl food. So you can imagine, you come, you know, with my man, and the other thing with my man, me end up eating your food. So you bring food, you come take what you take. You bring food for, you know, relax and eat. Maybe you say you can spend a couple hours because you can't sleep over. Or whatever, you say I come spend a couple hours. And you bring you bring your food for after you're done with, you know, yeah, lie down for hungry belly because obviously him not feed you. So you walk with your own food. When would you me know with my enough self that the girl just don't do what she do and get what she gets. Take up the girl food. I mean that cast me like that girl there, but not hold it down because I have to give me my food. Give me my food and make me go on, lady. Give me my food and make me go on. But while me instead of eat the girl good food, or she just walk out her soul for and bring come for name after and relax and chill, me come flap the girl. With my enough self. I want to know who you be. Me want to flap the girl with my enough self, take the girl food and I eat it and go tell her, say, yo, if woman come, she have to leave. And take up her slippers and get her slippers in the bathroom. And I say, what am I afraid to make her come out in the bathroom thing? Because that's what we do. That's just what we do. And I watch thing or nothing, but that's just what we do with each other. Can do me the same thing too. Right? So I'm like, bro. My shout out to them. So I say, where then? You know, I come and I say, you must come now, really. Boy, a lot do you know? That do really latch. Boy, a lot do really latch. But I do a simple face beats. I don't know for the makeup good and bear with me. But I do my own thing. But yeah, the boy a lot do really latch. But the boy a lot do really latch and come in and, you know, relax. Yam the food, eat, drink, laugh, belch. Oh, me find out now. We always have this thing, New Year come now. So for New Year, you know, we talk about things we don't normally talk about. Or things we bad we do. We don't want to go in the New Year with a lie. So you know, we just come be truthful to each other. And do it to the New Year now, for the New Year resolution. Lie down in the bed after, you know. I thought no and I say, alright, me I tell him what me do him I know about. Don't know what's in there, I gotta talk everything and him not gonna tell me everything, but we are gonna talk. So he tell me no and him tell me that's night there, but you remember the night, but remember exactly the night when I talk. So I say, yeah, So now I'm gonna tell me say as in the other girl over and as me walking, as she walk up, me walking and say me that I get up and call the girl name. The reason why I never get up and call the girl name is because oh, I open the door. I say, yo, normally I saw me open the door. Same realize, say, hold on. Same realize, say, me, by the way the door open my car. And me alone open the door. So, I love going like more and sneak up or whatever. So I say, oh, okay. So, I said the girl in the bathroom. They don't want to come out of the bathroom. And can't come out of the bathroom. Because remember she know about me, you know. So him say, so now, our slippers did the other door. Him say, no, I'm walk over the slippers. But me, you know, say me walk over the slippers because I'm full of a sister. And it could have been any one of them slippers there. And me's not a paranoid girlfriend. I'm going to sit down and think about bun. So them things don't bother me. So, me walk past the slippers them not knowing say rape. Same say him. Yeah, so him say, you know, him I tell me say, yo, whoa, as me walk in, as she walk out me walk in, and him just go out there, and I did fear her food, the girl bring her food for start eat, but she never start eating it because it's still not a bag and everything. I guess she said she have to get her peace first before she go full her belly and relax. Before I come thwart her plan. So me say what? So him say yeah, she did in the bathroom and that's why I'm saying different all time so me not come out there. But you know do it fast, so me not come out there and way. And you know customer and say wow, like I wish me walk in and see it, but I never walk in and kitchen like girl. I don't like that no matter how much pop up. So him say oh that was the almost catch. I remember I said oh that boy is so slick, but I got did I work with him. I got did I work with the old germs. But yeah, you know, yeah, my Bella, she still stay with him. Not never change. Probably cause him for a couple hours or 2 days. And then that was it. Me not gonna lift my man. I don't know about you. But he would have to do it constantly. But I left him. Plus I not even didn't know about it. If he never tell me, I wouldn't know. So it is what it is. But yeah, that's one of the many. Yeah, I better story then. So this is the full fit. Alright, so for the jacket, y'all, you know, Shein, it fits good. I have no complaints. It's a little bit short though. If you don't like short jackets and you want it to go down, that might be an issue, but I have no problem to wear mine up like this and button it. It comes with a button so you can button it if you feel like. This is the blouse. It's a medium. It fits good. It stretches. It's elastic. Alright, so the shorts, my favorite part about the shorts is the side. I like the belt sides about the shorts. This is a large and it's still tight. My fat. It's still tight, but yeah, it's good nonetheless. This is my telfar belt and bag that goes with it. And of course, my J's. But yeah, I hope y'all feeling this beat. Peace. So this is the hat that was supposed to go with it. Bam, 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 bam. But guys, the outside, man, I go run here. So my head big. My head big bad. So the hat tight. And I can't struggle tonight. So I'm not wearing the hat with a fit. Okay? Alright.